This activity involves the sum and difference formulas for cosine, and they want me to find the exact value of the cosine of 5 pi over 4 minus pi over 3. Now that's a subtraction. So we're going to be using this one over here because that one's the subtraction, okay? So just ignore the cosine with the plus sign in it. All right, so you're going to be looking at the two I just highlighted in green, but I got to take those colors off now. Okay, so it's cosine, and I'm going to be seeing the pi, 5 pi over 4, that is like the alpha, and the pi over 3, that's the beta. And this is going to equal the cosine of the alpha, so I've got to put 5 pi over 4 here, times the cosine of the beta, and the beta is pi over 3, and then it goes plus the sine of alpha, which goes there, and then the sine of beta, which goes there. So everywhere there is blue, I need 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4. And then the green is pi over 3. And now I have to remember that pi over 3, pi is 180. 180 divided by 3 is a 60-degree angle. And then 5 pi over 4, I'm going to grab my calculator for that. 5 times, remember pi is the same as 180 degrees, and divide that by 4, and I get 225 degrees. Okay, so I need my reference angles, but let's go with the green one first. All right, and then the blue one I'll do second, because I'll need two different pictures for this. Okay, so 60 degrees, that is in the first quadrant. So here's my right triangle, here's my 60 degrees. Cosine is opposite over, keep in mind, I keep the color coding here. This is the green angle. So I've got cosine right here. Let's see if that's 60 and that's 30. That special triangle goes, 30 is the shortest side. So this is 1, 2, no, 1, the hypotenuse is 2, and the longer leg is the square root of 3. So the cosine of pi over 3, which is this right here, that is gonna be opposite over hypotenuse. Wait, cosine, I'm sorry, cosine is, damn it, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and adjacent is 1 and hypotenuse is 2, plus, and then the sine of pi over 3, the sine is opposite over adjacent, so that would be the square root of 3 over 2. That's opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so that's the green one. Now for the blue one, 225, let's see, that's 180, and this, if I went all the way to here, that'd be 270. So I'm going somewhere here. So my reference angle is going to be this angle here, which if I take 180, 225 minus 180, that's a 45-degree angle. So this is 45 degrees, which means this is 45 degrees. And that special triangle, since you're in quadrant 3, this is -1, this is -1, and this is the square root of 2. Okay, and so cosine of 45 degrees, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's -1 over the square root of 2. And then sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite 45 is the -1 over the square root of 2. And I just have to simplify this now. Okay. Equals. So this is going to be 1 over 2 square roots of 2 minus 1 times the square root of 3 will be the square root of 3 over 2 square roots of 2. Find the exact value. They have the same denominator, that's 2 square roots of 2, and the numerator would be 1 minus the square root of 3. It's not telling me I have to rationalize my denominator, so I'm going to go type this in and see what happens. Let's see, I want to use the equation editor, so I'm clicking on that thingamabobber. And there we go. First things first, I need a fraction. And then my numerator was 1 minus the square root of 3 over 2 times the square root of 2. Let me just double check, make sure I didn't mess that up. 1 minus the square root of 3 over 2 square roots of 2. All right, how did I do? Oh, what didn't it like? Huh. Okay, it did rationalize it because they've got the square root of 2 over 2. All right, let me go back and look at that. Okay, if I were to rationalize this, I would have to multiply top and bottom times the square root of 2, which would give me, in my numerator, I'd have to distribute, I'll do that in orange, square root of 2 times 1 is the square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 6 over, okay, I've got the black 2, which is this 2 right here, and then when you take this square root of 2 times that square root of 2, you get a 2, and 2 times 2, that's where they're getting the 4. So the square root of 2 minus the square root of 6 all over 4. I can make up minus signs. I don't know why they got minus signs. That's weird. Can I do this and do that? Will that work? Yep. Oh, that was supposed to be 6, sorry. Let's see if they like this answer. Damn it. I'm so close. Why am I missing a negative sign? What did I forget? Did I forget something? Oh, damn it, I sure did. There's a negative right here. Negative, negative, negative. I really hate it when I screw things up. If it turns off on it, I know I got the right answer now. Damn it, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Negative. And how did I do? Finally. There we go. Whew, just in the nick of time. Sorry about that.